Welcome to BikeZone Pro, your go-to channel for the latest automobile updates. Today, we bring you an exclusive look at the 2025 Mahindra Bolero, a rugged SUV that just got a major upgrade. Whether you're a Bolero fan or planning to buy an SUV, stay tuned for everything you need to know about this beast. New design and exterior changes. The 2025 Mahindra Bolero comes with a refreshed, muscular look while maintaining its tough, boxy design. Mahindra has introduced LED dials, a bold front grille, and upgraded bumpers, making it more stylish yet strong. The improved ground clearance ensures it can handle rough terrains with ease. Powerful engine and performance. Under the hood, the new Bolero is expected to feature a 1.5L M-Hawk diesel engine with improved fuel efficiency and lower emissions. It's designed to deliver around 75 to 90 HP, making it a reliable workhorse for Indian roads. Mahindra might also introduce a petrol or hybrid variant, catering to the changing market demands. Interior and comfort upgrades. Step inside and you'll notice the modernized dashboard, a new touchscreen infotainment system, and more comfortable seating. Mahindra has also added better insulation to reduce cabin noise, making long drives smoother and quieter. While the Bolero remains a utility-focused SUV, these enhancements bring a touch of modern convenience. Safety and technology features. Mahindra has significantly improved the safety in the 2025 Bolero. Expect dual airbags, ABS with EBD, a reinforced body structure, and rear parking sensors. Higher variants may also include traction control and hill assist, making it a safer option for families and off-road enthusiasts alike. Expected price and launch date. The 2025 Mahindra Bolero is expected to be priced between 9 Indian rupees lakh to 12 Indian rupees lakh, making it one of the most affordable rugged SUVs in India. Mahindra is likely to launch it in mid-2025, with bookings opening a few months before. Final thoughts should you buy it? If you're looking for a durable, budget-friendly, and powerful SUV, the 2025 Bolero is definitely worth considering. With its new design, improved features, and legendary reliability, it's a perfect blend of toughness and practicality. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting updates from BikeZone Pro. Let us know in the comments, would you buy the new Mahindra Bolero?